AI voice agents.
Oh, yeah, those are getting
Big.
Yeah.
Big. And I mean, it's one thing to, read a headline about AI taking over the world, right? But how about AI taking over the way we talk to technology?
Interesting.
So we're going to be using some insights from the AI Money podcast,
Oh,
specifically their episode on VAPI.
I've heard of VAPI.
Yeah, it's pretty fascinating stuff. And we're going to be uncovering how these AI voices could revamp everything, like online shopping, healthcare, you name it. Pretty much anything you can think of.
I'm intrigued.
So first things first, we got to define what exactly AI is an AI voice agent.
Right, good point.
Because, I mean, we're not talking about just like those old school automated phone systems.
Oh, yeah, right. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that.
Exactly. This is something totally different.
Yeah, it's way more advanced. Think of it like this. Imagine you're talking to your computer and it actually understands you.
Well,
Like a back and forth conversation.
like a real person.
Kind of. These AI voice agents are basically intelligent software programs
Okay.
that use artificial intelligence, AI, and something called natural language processing, or NLP.
NLP, what's that?
It's pretty much the magic that lets computers decode human language.
So that's how they sound so, like, natural.
Exactly. It helps them understand what you're saying and respond in a way that makes sense.
Wow. So it's kind of like having a conversation with a really smart computer.
Yeah. You know how we have virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa?
Yeah.
It's like that, but even more specialized for very specific tasks.
So instead of just setting an alarm or playing music,
Yeah.
they could, like, help you with complex stuff.
Exactly. Think of things like customer support or even getting financial advice.
That would be super helpful. No more waiting on hold forever.
Right.
So I'm sold. AI voice agents sound amazing.
They're pretty cool.
But how do we make one?
The big question. Well, this is where VAPI comes in.
Oh, yeah, VAPI.
Remember that from the podcast.
They talked about it, yeah.
It's basically your toolkit for creating and integrating these AI voice agents.
So even if I'm not like a tech expert, I could potentially build one of these things.
Potentially, yeah. It's designed to be pretty user-friendly. It's not like you need to be a coding whiz or anything.
So how does it work?
So first you get API keys. They're like secure passwords
Gotcha.
that give your application access to all the VAPI features.
Okay.
Then you use their SDK, which is basically a set of tools that makes integrating the voice agent into your website or app way easier.
So it's kind of like the API gives you the building blocks and the instructions and you just put it all together.
Exactly.
That's pretty amazing.
It is pretty impressive.
But I imagine it's not just plug and play, or there must be some thought that goes into designing these interactions.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
You can't just throw some words at it and expect it to sound natural.
Right.
You have to think about the conversation flow, how a real conversation works.
Yeah, like the back and forth,
The pauses,
the interrupt.
all of that. You want your AI voice agent to mimic those natural rhythms.
That makes sense.
You want it to feel engaging, not robotic.
So it sounds like creating a good AI voice agent is a bit of an art and a science.
Exactly. It's not just about the technology.
You need that human touch.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's say we've built our awesome AI voice agent with VAPI.
Great.
Now, where can we use it?
Oh, the possibilities are endless.
Like what? Give me some examples.
Okay, imagine you're shopping online.
Okay, I do that a lot.
Instead of scrolling through endless pages,
Ugh, I hate that.
you could just tell the AI voice agent what you're looking for.
Whoa.
And it could instantly pull up relevant products, answer any questions you have, even give you personalized recommendations based on your past purchases.
It'd be like having a personal shopping assistant.
Exactly. No more digging through FAQs or waiting on hold for customer service.
That would be a game changer.
And that's just retail.
What about other industries?
Think about healthcare. Imagine booking appointments or getting quick answers to common questions, all through an AI voice agent.
That would free up so much time for both patients and healthcare providers.
Exactly. And the best part is it doesn't stop there.
There's more.
Oh, yeah. Imagine a hotel room that responds to your voice commands, like adjusting the temperature, turning on the lights, or even ordering room service.
That'd be so cool.
Right. The possibilities are endless. And we haven't even touched on the potential for education.
Oh yeah, how could AI voice agents change education?
Imagine a virtual tutor
Interesting.
that adapts to your learning style, provides customized explanations, and even creates personalized practice exercises.
Wow, it'd be like having a teacher who knows exactly how you learn best.
Exactly. It could revolutionize how we learn, especially for people who struggle with traditional learning environments.
That's incredible. I'm seeing AI voice agents everywhere now.
They really have the potential to transform so many aspects of our lives.
So it's like not only do AI voice agents make things easier for businesses, but they also create a more personalized and engaging experience for customers.
Precisely. It's a win-win situation.
Wow, this has been such an eye-opening deep dive.
Glad you enjoyed it.
It's amazing to think how far AI has come, and I'm excited to see how AI voice agents continue to evolve.
Me too. And we've only scratched the surface here.
What do you mean?
Well, there are a lot of ethical considerations with this technology, like privacy and data security.
Right, because these voice agents are collecting a lot of information about us.
Exactly. And there's also the potential for bias in the algorithms.
So we need to make sure these voice agents are being developed responsibly.
Absolutely. It's a powerful technology, and we need to use it wisely.
This is definitely something for all of us to think about as AI voice agents become more prevalent in our lives.
I agree. It's a fascinating and rapidly evolving field.
Well, huge thanks for taking us on this deep dive. It's been a pleasure. And for everyone listening, I hope this has given you a glimpse into the exciting world of AI voice agents, and maybe even sparked some ideas for how you could use this technology in your own life or work.
It is really remarkable technology.
It is. And hey, while you're thinking about all that, we'll be back next time with another deep dive into the world of cutting-edge tech.
Until next time.